What's up, guys? A couple of days ago, I went to Right Honda in Scottsdale and checked out the new 2022 Honda Civic. Before you guys go any further, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon so you can see future videos. Okay, just before we get into the video, it's important that I let you guys know that the new Civic, the fan underneath the hood is loud. It was probably 115 degrees the day that I showed up. So Joe at Right Honda went out and he started the car and it warmed up for about 10-15 minutes. So by the time we walked out there, the fan was just going. The air conditioner was blowing pretty hard too. So let me know in the comments below as the video plays what you think about the new Civic, as we did kind of the walk around introduction and some of the things, you know, they were just discovering too. Like they had just got the car about an hour before I showed up. Okay guys, I am at Right Honda. They just got the 2022 Civics in. There's about 10 of them. No special microphones, no phone filters, none of that stuff. Just here to check it out. Really basic video. Good walk around. Just in Joe's office because he's not in here. So while we wait for Joe, actually he's going outside to start the red one. But as we said on the podcast, if you look, the Accord and the Civic, they're so similar now. Why? Like why even have an Accord anymore? Because the Civic looks so adult. Look at that, that's an adult looking car. Also an adult looking car as far as Hondas go, right? Because if you go out there and you look, zoom in, there's our previous gen hatch. It just looks like an entry level vehicle, even though it's a great vehicle. So this is a touring edition. Again, we're at Right Honda in Scottsdale, Arizona. 28,000, fuel efficiency, everything's on par. 29 out the door. Well, you know, sticker. Take a look on the inside. I mean, this is a really, really nice looking interior. It's got a nice sporty looking steering wheel. That's actually smaller than the stock wheel on the NSX, believe it or not. My NSX, which is why I have a smaller wheel now. Nice little shifter. Nicely appointed. Look at that. All right, let's go take a look. So these just got here?
They just touched down today.
Just touched down today, like they dropped them in?
Yeah, they came, they airdropped them. But yeah, so we got a shipment of sports. So you're gonna have the 18-inch black wheels. All the sports are gonna have the black mirrors.
Okay, so in case you can't hear him, he's a soft talker. You gotta watch out for that. So they got the 18-inch.
Too much bass.
Too much bass in his voice. 18-inch black wheels, got the black mirrors. What else on the Sport?
Sport's gonna be a 2.0, naturally aspirated.
Naturally aspirated 2.0. CVT, oh, we love those.
It's our favorite. But yeah.
This one is 24, the one inside the Touring is 29.
Yep. But you're not losing out on any features of the Sport.
Oh, it's got that new car smell, not the good one. There's like different types of new car smells. There's the kind that make you nauseous and the kind that kind of smell
nice
good.
Little plastic smell.
What you guys are hearing is the air conditioner.
And that's a big point because we got these new air vents that look pretty cool.
Now, do they have a power option for like the seats or no? Because I just had to manually pull it back.
Sport, I don't believe so.
So maybe another package.
Maybe if they decide a sport touring in the future or something like that. But yeah, with the sports.
Do we have wireless CarPlay this time?
We do in the tour. We got a new key. He's a little bit sleeker looking.
Oh, that's cute. So there is wireless CarPlay in the Touring Edition, which is the one inside. Kind of a texture.
Yeah, it's a nice little. The steering wheel looks very. It looks like it would belong in a higher trim level.
Yeah, I agree.
It's got the
Turn the fan down a little bit, although it's going to kill us.
We got a new little screen interface as well. So let's see. We got some weekend going. We got some metal going. We don't have any phone plugged in. It doesn't look like it has a home screen like the old ones.
Right. Like something that just welcomes you when you turn it on?
Yeah, like a little interface thing.
Well, that's whack. Well, I'm going to cancel my order. Oh look, it's kind of an old school for
360
the air vents. That's kind of neat. Guys, get some zoomed in action, get some POV action going in there. This is interesting. Is this new? Because I haven't been in a Civic in a minute.
Yeah. This is a new thing they tried out.
So it's a metal, or it's either metal or really hard plastic honeycomb. So the entire thing, I think they stole that from. Oh no, it stops here.
I think
right?
The cabin filter or something right there. Looks like.
I was gonna say they stole that from the Corvette. Corvette has the entire thing.
It should be pretty nice today.
Nice, easy to read.
They switched up the button layout a tiny bit. All your safety features will still be standard.
Right.
But you actually have the lane keep assist and the self-driving. You can do it now under 5 miles. So you can be in traffic and the car pretty much drive itself even at 5 miles an hour if you want to.
So you know what I don't see? Oh, there it is.
The engine off. You got your
The
drive
engine
modes
off.
too for sport. Makes a cool little noise. Eco. And then changes colors and stuff.
Sounds like a video game player select mode.
Yeah. Choose your fighter.
Choose your fighter. I choose this one. I kind of like. Let's go ahead and shut this door. I like this.
Door handles are really nice.
It's really nice. You know, as I was saying earlier, there's nothing wrong with Honda upscaling the Civic.
Yeah, they didn't really compromise too much with this one. You'll see in the Touring, you're gonna see a little bit more of these, like this little panel on the steering wheel is gonna have a little chrome accent, and the ignition looks pretty cool too. It's kind of blends in with the trim.
So this is pretty. I mean, it's like ergonomically perfect.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna see you don't have your buttons for the phone anymore. So you use the little scroller next to the guy talking. So this will be to answer, hang up, stuff like that. And then so you can go through here. You got a couple new options. I noticed there's one called driver attention.
Oh, does it tell you if you've driven too long, you can set it to like notify you to take a coffee break? Maybe that's probably what that little cup of coffee is on the far left. Look at.
Yeah. You got your speed, so your average speed. I had to reset it because I was going a little fast. But I'm just kidding. But
no, you're not just kidding.
Maybe.
This thing has 16 miles on it.
You could customize your whole display. There's a couple cool features. I haven't had enough time to really truly dig in, but.
Well, here's the good news. It's a Honda Civic. There's hundreds of thousands of these things, so you're gonna have all the time you need to kind of dig into it. I was just checking out the pedals down there. Those are really nice too.
Yep. Sport.
Really sporty, and then of course the steering mounted paddle shifters. That really nice Honda plastic that people love so much.
Oh.
Kind of spacious in here for what it is. It's interesting how flat this is.
Mm-hmm.
Is that like kind of like aren't Teslas and some of these other new cars just there's nothing there but this?
Yeah, it's a new thing, I feel like.
So what we have a single USB up here. I'm guessing we probably have more in
have
here.
one in here, but it doesn't look like it actually.
Maybe on the Touring mode.
Touring should, and Touring will have a wireless charger.
Maybe they're saving that for the Accord.
Awesome.
Room in the back. I don't expect that to change for anyone.
And then it's before I forget, the lights are LEDs on all trim levels.
Oh yeah, so you no longer have to pop out your lights and go to eBay. They come with LEDs. How about that? Okay, we're gonna pop the trunk and take a look at some of these goods. I do like how this comes with the liner, the full trunk liner. WeatherTech is probably pissed off right now. Hell, this could be made by WeatherTech. WeatherTech of Japan.
Some wheel locks.
This is like a really small. What are those?
You put your change in there.
Yeah, put your change in there. That's cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's check out underneath the hood.
You got right here. You want to fold down your seats. You just pull it.
It's sold yesterday, Bill.
It's hot.
burning from having it on?
That and being in the sun. This thing's hotter than my Mustang.
So this is a sport. Like this is what happened here?
Is that
So it must be missing, and that touring must be missing something, right?
This is a different engine though.
There you go. Different engine.
It's actually a bigger engine, naturally aspirated, so it doesn't have the turbo like the 2.0 and the Accord would.
Are you kidding me?
I don't know what that's all about. Is that the cat?
It is. That's the cat.
pretty
That's
odd,
it's
cat right
it's
there.
odd, but it's also
Sick of-
incredibly easy to access when your O2 sensor blows out.
Or if you live in Cali, it's pretty hard to steal.
It is hard to steal. Power mirrors, LED headlights, LED taillights, chrome exhaust,
Remote start. It's got daytime running.
remote start. Now is that just on the sport and high? Or what's the base model?
Every model. It's gonna be sport.
So sport is the base model. Every model comes with remote start. Look at you, Honda.
It comes fog lights.
Fog lights
I believe.
for those foggy Arizona days.
Never know.
Well, those are smoked.
Yeah, they look a little smoked. They're LEDs as well.
That's nice.
The exhaust. We have an HPD kit we put on a Sonic Gray one right now too in the shop.
So there's a Sonic Gray one.
It's got the
Getting an HPD kit put on it. So if you want to know if it's sport, look for the black mirrors because someone's going to change out the wheels.
Yeah.
Not to say these wheels aren't great, but I'm just
They are
saying.
actually pretty nice.
Look at that. Look at that side profile. I mean, that's actually a pretty cool looking vehicle. I think it is. Speaking of, there's the Sport HPD'd out. That little spoiler looks
Looks like a
nice.
little Audi.
It does look like an Audi or an Innie. So we'll have to hit that from the other side because the sun being right above me is killing me on this.
Damn, that looks badass. Actually,
Yeah,
they should have made
that's
right
a sleek
here.
looking car.
They should have had a hard angle here.
Yeah, to kind of match that, the rest of that snub nose front. It looks like it's concentrating. I like it. Yeah, I like it. What do you guys think in the comments? Let us know what you think about the Honda Civic now that you get this upfront look, close and personal. It's sharp. I mean, I'm not gonna go buy one, but it's still nice.
On the HPD, we're gonna have the black badging.
HPD comes with the black badges.
We're gonna have the spoilers on the bottom, the skirts, whatever you want to call them.
You know what that reminds me of? Reminds me of the M package that you can get
Yeah.
on BMWs. Get the
Those-
trim and everything.
It's got a couple on the rear bumper, then you're gonna have the little lip on the deck.
Well, that's pretty nice.
It's gonna have the HPD badge on the back. Looks a lot cooler than the TRD.
That stands for horsepower diesel, right?
Yeah. This kit actually
Just
has
kidding,
25
people.
horsepower.
Relax. Come on, let's come around and take a look at this. So the regular Sport is 2.0 liter. This HPD package is a 3.5 liter twin turbo, and look at that intercooler right there, folks. Okay guys, tell me what you think of the Civic in the comments. I actually like the car. I'm not in the market to buy a new Civic, but if I was, I would seriously consider it. The Touring that you did not really get a walk around of comes with even more features. That was just the Sport. The red one was just the Sport. I did the Touring one on Instagram Live. But for $29,000 for Touring and the Accord, well, the 21 Accord starts for like 23 or 24,000. I would just get a Civic Touring Edition. We have yet to see what the 2022 Accord looks like. But that HPD edition, that gray that they used, the body styling on that thing looks really nice. You have to admit. I'm a fan for Honda kind of stepping their game up. I know people like to take them and kind of, tuner those things out. So I think it's just another new era for the Honda Civic. And if you don't like it, they're probably going to change it again in 3 years. Don't forget to subscribe to the Hard Parking Podcast. Comes out every Monday. And if you like what you saw today, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys next time.